gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Versions. It is day 2 of the Rally Kings Rally. We are filling up right now. Check out this Corvette. I did not realize that this thing is pro-charged, making about 900 horsepower. That sounds absolutely ridiculous. The Pro-Charger blow-off valve, such a good noise. The M3 we're riding in today, Chad's beautiful 1LE. Take another little run through the cars. I still can't believe there's a Model X. What a champion for taking that on a rally. The beautiful 650. These two GTRs. Can you believe that? So this is a 2009 GTR that was painted in this orange color, which happened to be basically the launch color for the 2017 GTR before it even came out. But it looks so awesome. That's what a $12,000 paint job on an 09 GTR looks like. Basically makes it look like a brand new car. Awesome green Hellcat. All right, Ty's gonna send it. Well, there goes my energy drink. See, that's what I get, I guess, for getting a NOS instead of a white Monster. Just gets crushed right in front of my eyes. Little Taco Bell pit stop in the Hellcat. Here's a little look at the itinerary for the day. We've got a much shorter drive ahead of us, about 3 hours. We're gonna do some awesome back roads and then end up at a go-karting place and have about 3 hours of competitive go-karting against each other. I am so pumped for that. All right, so a cop just pulled out in front of us, flicked his lights on, and then turned them off. So we're not sure what's going on. So there he is, way up there, apparently on the radio. He just flew over. The good news is none of us were really going all that fast. Well, Ty wasn't lying when he said he was gonna send it. I don't know if we picked up a nail or shredded the tire or what in that parking lot when he did that little donut. This is, yeah, not a fixable tire. Reminds me of what happened to my M5 when we were out in Michigan. Look at all the rubber just absolutely shredded. Well, the M3 is actually too low for this jack to even fit underneath it, so makeshift little lift here. Okay, forward. A little more. Stop. All right, well, the other two rocks didn't work. I think we found one that might have a chance. Oh my God. Little more. Little more. All right, stop. All right, well, thankfully we have some Dodge Demon front skinnies that we can put on the rear for better donuts. Crazy random knowledge that Ty has. Apparently older Camaro wheels have the same bolt pattern as the E46 M3. So we're using his spare tire, put it on the back, drive it to the tire shop. It's literally at this exit. Hopefully they have something that can go on this rear wheel. Yep, that's toast. This is the result of the blowout. This tire is absolutely destroyed. This is hilarious. So Ty's normal handbrake doesn't work, so he's bungee corded the hydro to his headrest. Well, our current problem now is not a single tire shop in the vicinity carries low profile tires. I guess because of the location we're in, they pretty much only have normal sedan and truck tires. So everyone's like 255, 40, 18. Yeah, we never carry that. Just rolled up to a tire shop. Thankfully, this place does have a Yokohama tire in the right size. So we'll be able to make that go-karting, because honestly, I was the most excited about some go-karting competition more than anything else in the rally. Well, all fixed. There is the new tire. These awesome guys here got us an actual jack, although we gonna have to put it back onto the rock because this car is so low. Yeah, okay. There we go. Back on the road, finally. Tire is feeling good. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much to the groups of cars that pulled over, helped Ty out, because otherwise, I mean, we could have been stuck on the road permanently. Honestly though, that's one of the best parts of rallies, is the people that you meet. For people to actually just pull over, we didn't get to do any of the fun driving roads today, and they decided to waste their day essentially just to help out, and that is just freaking awesome. Pretty cool scenery out here, actually. Just pulled up to pole position. Cars are dropping like flies today. The 4Loco E46 M3 now has a low oil light, and the Camaro that helped out trying to put the spare on this, the battery died. Absolutely sick slammed airbagged Mustang over there. Well, I guess if the M3 breaks again, we've got this we could win. time to go out for the first race. It's crazy loud in there, so I figured I'd come out here, and we got a beautiful Julia behind it. Got the first race done, did come in first place, but that doesn't matter. It was a ton of freaking fun. Those cards are honestly really quick, and they don't have a heck of a lot of grip. So if you're flat out, those things can drift pretty well. Obviously, drifting, you're gonna get a pretty damn slow time. There's definitely a ton of seconds left out on the track. For those of you who have been to this track, obviously, this is not all that quick. Let's see after a couple more races if we can get this down into the 28s. Second time out there, that's a lot better. 28.97 seconds. Got the bag squad here. It's about to get ridiculous. This awesome subscriber, Max, who I met a long time ago when I did the cross-country journey with Ty from Michigan to California, goes, hey man, I've got an 812 Superfast. You wanna drive it? So we're gonna go check that thing out. Oh boy, what do we have here? Well, that was ridiculous. Guys, behind these three garage doors are 3 silver Ferraris, one of which I am reviewing today. You're gonna see that video very, very soon. I've actually already driven it, filming this after, and I was, well, I'll save my opinions on it until you actually watch the video, but I think you'll enjoy this one. About to get a ride back to the hotel from this awesome subscriber, Max, in his GT350R. Well, guys, it is the last day of the Rally Kings Rally. We have all lined up, getting ready to head back to Michigan. This has been a downright blast. Four Loko, baby. That license plate is hilarious. Marku taking some rollers. These people are driving so aggressively out here. This minivan just cut off the Corvette. and is going like 100 miles an hour. Oh, he was smiling. Dude, he's having a good time out here. Literally randomly stumbled upon a Challenger rally. There's like at least 20 Challengers just rolling up right now. That is crazy. Day 3 is recovery day, to say the least. We had an awesome last 2 nights. We rolled out to this morning in a big group. Everyone's kind of heading all over. We got Frankie up there ahead of us. I am extremely tired. I can't even remember how to vlog right now, to be honest. Hi. Yeah. Damn, that G8 sounded good. We've been trying to link up with Chad in his new ZL1 1LE for the last hour, and every single time we've checked in on what mile marker we were at, we were within 1/10 of a mile. So confused as to why we weren't seeing each other. And we tried to reconfirm like 4 different times, are you in Michigan? Are you in Michigan? Because when the mile markers switch from Illinois to Michigan, it resets. They were like, yeah, we're in Michigan. Well, turns out they're like 60 miles behind us. Damn it, Chad. I haven't seen too many wings like this, but I actually kind of dig it. It's like flush with the trunk. 2.5 hours from home, we are doing the last fill up of the trip. I'm gonna switch off driving. I'm freaking exhausted, although unfortunately I'm sure Ty is too. You can't be the co-pilot and fall asleep while your driver's driving, because you just gotta be a team on this. So we're gonna suffer together. Even though you did yesterday for like a little bit, but I let it fly. Look at that. Oh my God, those rear tires. Oh yeah, those GoPro rolling shots. Cole getting some rolling shots out of the rear of the Scat Pack. That looks not safe whatsoever. This mom is having the time of her life. Finally back home, I am absolutely exhausted, and check this out. Troy gets here an hour before and has already almost completely peeled the wrap off of his car. So, for those of you who don't know, and I kind of forgot the color of this car, it is white, and he's peeled off the color shift wrap. What, you did this like in 45 minutes? Not even 45 minutes. And this is what's become of that beautiful wrap. Well guys, I am freaking exhausted. Thanks so much to all my buddies that hosted the Rally Kings Rally. Troy, Gary, Ty, Ashley, you guys killed it. I had a ton of fun hanging out with all my Michiganders. I definitely gotta do this again soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the content traveling all over the country. If you're not part of the Vehicle Virgins family yet, smash that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you next video.